Dr. Lachlan.
Hi, Dr. Lachlan. This is our Jim Allison Breakthrough Project with our group members. My name's Phoenix.
My name is Heba, and unfortunately, Spencer and Anthony are unable to be reached.
But we are going to show our part, so we have something to turn in, and hopefully you can grade us based on our two efforts. But now I'm going to give it to Heba, and she's going to take over.
Thank you, Phoenix. All right, to start, our very first question for this project was, what is basic science? Basic science is a research that seeks to understand how things work at the fundamental level without necessarily trying to create a treatment or a product right away. It focuses on uncovering the basic principles of biology, chemistry, and physics. Now, moving on, our next question was, why is basic science important? It's important because without understanding the fundamentals, we won't be able to create new medicines, technologies, or cures. Many life-saving breakthroughs start with years of basic science that may not seem useful at first, but later provide the foundation for big medical advances. Our third question was, what is an example in the documentary of, basic science? In the film, Jim Allison studies how T cells, a type of immune cell, is regulated. This was basic science. He wasn't originally trying to cure cancer, just trying to understand how the immune system turns on and off. His discovery of the CTLA-4 checkpoint eventually led to a revolutionary cancer immune therapy treatment. Now I'm going to hand this off to Phoenix.
Thank you so much, Heba. And our next question we have to answer is, what is the FDA, or known as the Food and Drug Administration? This ensures that drugs and medical treatment are safe and effective before they're actually given to the public. In the documentary, they developed CTLA-4, which blocked an antibody. Yet, the drug had to go through clinical trials and receive FDA approval before it could be given to patients. And our next question is, what is the process a treatment must undergo to make it to the general public? So in the documentary, it states that a treatment must go through a long process before receiving and reaching the public. It starts with basic science research that Heba explained prior, followed by preclinical testing in the lab and on animals. If successful, the treatment will go through clinical trials on humans, which goes through phases 1 through 3 to test the safety and effectiveness. Then the FDA will review the results and decide whether to approve of the treatment. Only after passing all of these steps can the treatment be used by the general public. And finally, we have to ask, what else is treated using immunotherapy, and what other conditions are scientists currently studying where immunotherapy can be a cure? The documentary shows how immunotherapy, which begins as a treatment for certain types of cancer, has opened the door to treating other diseases by harnessing the power of the immune system. While the film focuses on mainly melanoma, a deadly skin cancer, it also mentions and applies that immunotherapy is being explored and in some cases already used for a wide range of cancers and other medical conditions. Thank you so much, Dr. Lachlan, and I hope that you enjoyed our presentation
Just as much as we did.